Hey there, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into the fascinating world of research writing and exploring a cutting-edge tool that can revolutionize your writing process, ChatGPT. With the advancements in artificial intelligence, researchers now have access to a powerful assistant that can help in writing research articles. In this video, we'll guide you through the process of writing a research article using ChatGPT. So, let's get started. Before we delve into the tips and techniques, let's take a moment to understand what ChatGPT is and how it can assist in your research writing. ChatGPT is an AI language model developed by OpenAI. It can generate human-like text based on the input it receives. When used properly, ChatGPT can help you generate ideas, offer suggestions, and improve the overall flow of your research article. However, it's important to remember that ChatGPT is a tool, and the responsibility for the final content lies with the researcher. Now, let's move on to our first tip. Tip number 1 is to define your research objectives. Before interacting with ChatGPT, it's crucial to have a clear understanding of the goals and scope of your research article. What are the research questions you aim to answer? What specific areas do you want to explore? Defining your objectives beforehand will help you direct the conversation with ChatGPT effectively. Tip number 2, prepare guiding prompts and questions. To make the most out of ChatGPT, it's helpful to have well-crafted prompts and specific questions related to your research. This helps you guide the conversation and elicit targeted responses. For example, you can ask ChatGPT for relevant studies, methodologies, or perspectives on your topic. By providing clear prompts, you'll receive more relevant and useful information. Tip number 3, evaluate and refine the generated content. While ChatGPT can provide valuable insights, it's essential to critically evaluate and refine the content it generates. Remember, ChatGPT's responses are based on patterns learned from training data. It's crucial to cross-check the information, fact-check where necessary, and ensure the accuracy and credibility of the generated content. Use your own expertise and judgment to refine and enhance the content accordingly. Tip number 4, structuring and formatting your research article. ChatGPT can assist in generating content, but it's important to structure and format it properly for a research article. Organize the information into sections such as introduction, methodology, results, and conclusion. Ensure proper citation and referencing following the required style guide. By structuring and formatting the content appropriately, you create a cohesive and professional research article. Tip number 5, review and polish the article with human expertise. While ChatGPT is a powerful tool, it's crucial to remember the importance of human expertise in research writing. Seek feedback from your peers, mentors, or subject matter experts. They can provide valuable insights, help identify any gaps or areas that require further refinement, and ensure the quality and coherence of your research article. There you have it, our tips for writing a research article using ChatGPT. By defining your research objectives, preparing guiding prompts and questions, evaluating and refining the generated content, structuring and formatting your article, and seeking feedback from human experts, you can leverage the power of ChatGPT to enhance your research writing experience. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more valuable content on research writing and the latest advancements in AI. If you have any questions or additional tips, please share them in the comments below. Happy writing, and we'll see you in the next video.